In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Gumroad account. Gumroad is a simple platform for selling digital products, memberships, and more, and getting your account set up only takes a few minutes. First, open your preferred web browser and head to gumroad.com. Any modern browser will work, but using the latest version of Chrome, Safari, or Firefox helps everything load smoothly. Make sure your internet connection is stable so you don't get interrupted midway through the process. Once the homepage loads, look to the top right corner and click Start Selling. This button is your gateway to creating your account. Don't worry, clicking it doesn't commit you to anything paid, it just begins the sign in or sign up flow so you can access your dashboard. Next, you'll be asked to choose your sign in method. Gumroad typically lets you continue with options like Google, Apple, or an email based sign in. Pick the option you're most comfortable using long term, since you'll use the same method whenever you log in. If you choose a social sign in, be sure you have access to that account. If you prefer email, use an address you check regularly, ideally a personal one you'll keep for the life of your business. If you selected a social sign in such as Google or Apple, you'll see a prompt asking you to allow Gumroad to access certain information like your name and email address. This is standard for secure sign-ins. Review the details and only proceed if you're comfortable. If a pop-up window doesn't appear, your browser might be blocking it. Temporarily allow pop-ups for Gumroad and try again. If you chose the email route, now's the time to check your inbox for a verification email from Gumroad. Keep your browser tab open while you do this. It can take a moment to arrive. If you don't see it right away, refresh your inbox and look in your spam or promotions folders. Searching for Gumroad by name can help surface it quickly. Open the email and locate the verification token or code. Carefully copy it, avoid extra spaces, then return to your browser and paste the token into the verification field. When you're ready, click Login. If everything matches, you'll be taken into your new Gumroad account. On some occasions, you might be asked to confirm basic terms or preferences. Just follow the on-screen guidance. That's it, you're in. From here you can explore your dashboard, familiarize yourself with the interface, and get ready to add products or set up payouts when you're ready. Quick recap, visit gumroad.com, click Start Selling, choose your sign-in method, allow access if prompted, verify your email, paste the token, and click Login. You now have a working Gumroad account.